marketing, let me tell you, to me, leadership embodies the ability to first inspire, second to guide, and third to influence people towards a common goal. If a person is guiding people in different directions, they can't bring them together to a one goal. It goes beyond just holding a position of authority. It goes beyond that. Time has flies now that you are just holding an authority and you are guiding them. Nowadays, it is about fostering a positive and inclusive environment where individual can thrive and reach their full potential. A good leader is someone who leads by example always and demonstrates integrity, humility, and empathy. They possess excellent communication skills, obviously, listening attentively, because when a person is having a problem, you have to be more attentive in hearing it, and to their team members' perspective and ideas. We can't ignore the ideas and thoughts of team members totally. A good leader is also adaptable, open-minded, willing to embrace and explore new approaches. They always try to empower their team members, encouraging their collaborations and providing guidance and support when and however it is needed. Always a strong leader needs to understand the importance of recognizing and leveraging the strengths of each team member, because every member is important in each and every different aspect. Fostering a sense of trust and motivation among the team members. Furthermore, if I talk about on this, they take responsibility for their actions and decisions, acknowledging both success and failures. And lastly, ultimately, a good leader inspires others to become leaders and creating a ripple effect of positive impact within the organization or community. Because he is the only person who is channelizing the entire team who is just looking forward to them.